Alright, so I want to start this video off with a story. I have a mechanic that I go to for all of my vehicles, every vehicle I've ever owned. This guy's worked on. He's really good, he's honest. I love the work that he does. So I was curious, I dropped my truck off to get some work done, and while I was picking up the truck, I was like, hey, Mr. Mechanic Dude, let's say, I mean, I know I don't have to do any kind of maintenance on the Tesla, but let's say for some reason I had to bring in the Tesla. Would you be able to work on it? And man, this guy did not even let me finish my question. He was like, nah, man, I'm not gonna work on Teslas. So I was like, okay, fair enough. Why? And he explained that Teslas require special jacks that are kind of annoying to work with. A lot of things can go wrong. Batteries can be heavy and expensive and they need the right tools, so it just wasn't gonna work. But then that got me thinking, I don't have a jack for this car, so if anything happens, I have to hope that whatever tow company comes and helps me has the right jack. So that made me buy this. It's a jack with pucks. So that's everything that comes in the box. We have this cool little carrying bag for it, 2 pucks, and the most important thing is the jack with the handle for it. So the reason I bought this one in particular is because I was looking at multiple different options, and I needed something that was going to be able to fit under the Tesla, but be able to hold the weight of the Tesla because it's heavier than most vehicles its size, but something that I could also put the pucks on and not have to worry about it sliding off. So this is what I found. These pucks right here are going to go underneath the vehicle. I'll show you in just a minute how they fit in there, but they also slide right into that, and that holds it in place so that they don't slide off while we're moving the vehicle. Now it's really cold. I'm going to try to make this video fast, but let me show you how it works. Right now we're under the car, and as you can see, there's not a lot of space. And as we look under the car, what we're looking for is that right there. So that circle is where the puck goes into, and that's how it's going to hold the thing up. So what we do is you grab your puck, you go in, and then you match those 2 pieces up together, and then you just push it in. And just like that, it's set. Now we move the jack into place, and what I'm looking for is the jack to be able to fit that puck in perfectly. So we'll line that up as good as we can, and that should be good. Now the final thing to do is just lift it up. Now I want to make sure that it's right on the puck, so I'm feeling around to make sure it's fully covered, and it is, and then we just start going. I'm going to speed this next part up just so you can see it go up, and then we'll check back in a minute. And just like that, you got a free spinning tire. Now to undo it, it's pretty simple. There's a little latch right here. Flip it the other way, and then it starts going the other way. Once it's all the way down, pull the jack out, take the puck out, and then you're all set to go. Now, once you're done working on everything you need to work on, everything fits nice and neat back in the trunk. Let's go ahead and open up this bag and just start putting stuff in here. So we'll start with the jack. Just drop the 2 pucks in here and the little tool and zip it all back up. And just like that, you have it all put away and ready to go. And as an added bonus, it can just fit right in there. So your trunk stays nice and empty. As always, links to this product are in the description below. Highly recommend it. It fits underneath all model Teslas, and it's super cool. Later.